Hey, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to give you guys a closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Can-Am Maverick Trail. Now, these UTV upgrade kits, they come in 3 different stages. That way you can find something that fits your personal preferences and your budget. Now, each kit, it comes with some of the most popular accessories for these machines. That way you can make your new machine stand out and look good, and you're gonna have a more comfortable ride. Now, one additional benefit of buying everything in a kit is it's gonna save you some money. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at what comes in each of the kits. To start out, we're going to be looking at the Stage 1 upgrade kit. Now, this is the most basic and affordable option out of the 3, but it comes with the essential items that you're going to want while you're out on the trail. So what this kit comes with, number 1 is the removable half windshield. This thing's going to give you some protection in the front. It's going to block some of the wind and the dust, but it still allows for some airflow into the cab to keep you cool. The second item is the alloy UTV mirror kit with A-pillar mounts. Now, what's nice about these is number 1, they're super durable. You can adjust the mirror inside there, and since they mount up to the A-pillars, that puts them in a good spot, and it's easy to mount them up, and you don't have to figure out how you're gonna clamp something onto this roll cage, and it also keeps the mirror out of the way of the half windshield. The third item in the kit is the Force aluminum roof. Now, this is a staple item for any side-by-side. It comes in all 3 kits, and the reason for that is it's going to provide you with some shade on the sunny days, but it's also going to keep rain and other elements out. Moving on, let's look at the Stage 2 upgrade kit. Now, this is going to be the mid-grade kit, and it's going to have some premium features still at a great price. So what this kit includes is the full glass windshield. Now, what's nice about this, it's made out of laminated safety auto glass, and it's going to stay looking good for a long time. Gives you full coverage in the front, and if it gets dirty, you can simply wipe it off with the windshield wiper. The second item in the kit is the pivot folding mirrors. Now, these are an upgrade over the alloy mirrors because if you ever hit something with them, they're going to pop right out of the way and you can fold them right back out. You can also adjust that mirror inside of there. The third item in the kit is the UTV polycarb rear window. Now, this is going to help enclose the cab and protect you and your passengers from the weather. Now, what's nice about having the combination of that rear window and the roof is this roof actually helps clear off that rear window. It's got spoilers in the back and directs airflow down onto there, so it's going to blow off any dust. Moving on to the Stage 3 upgrade kit, this is the premium option from Tusk. Now, the Stage 2 kit had some really nice accessories, and this kit is actually going to keep a few of those, but then we're going to upgrade some others. So what we're keeping from the Stage 2 kit is the pivot folding mirrors, the Force aluminum roof, and the polycarb rear window. Now, one of the things that gets upgraded is the windshield. So this is the folding glass windshield, and again, this has the super durable laminated safety auto glass. It's going to stay looking good for a long time, and if it ever gets dirty, you can simply wipe it off with the windshield wiper. Now, one upgrade over that full glass windshield with this is you've got the vent door in the bottom, so if things are warming up inside the cab, you can simply open that up and get some airflow in there. Now, if you ever have a really hot day and you want maximum airflow, one of the main benefits of the folding glass windshield is you can simply lay this down and let that airflow into the cab. And you know, if conditions change throughout the day, maybe things cool down at night, you can simply fold this back up and you've got full coverage in the front. The other upgrade in the kit is the spare tire carrier. You never know when you're going to get a flat, and it's always a good idea to be prepared and have a spare tire with you, and that way you can take care of it. And that's your closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Can-Am Maverick Trail. Now, these kits, again, it's a great way to get some of the most popular accessories installed on your machine. And when you buy everything in a kit, it's also going to save you some money. So if you need one of these kits, they're available on our website, so be sure to check that out. And if you have any questions about the products or the install process, leave those questions down in the comments below. But we also have some how-to videos to guide you step by step through the install process. And you know, these are actually pretty simple to install, and just about anybody can do it. So again, let us know if you have questions. Other than that, if you want to see more helpful content, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.